Swamiji, all of us want power in our lives. We want control, we want wealth, we want people to listen to us. And this need for power in all human beings is the root cause of much conflict. Because this power is exhilarating. How do we overcome this need for power within our souls, within our body, within our lives?
See, first, when we are not able to handle ourselves, control ourselves, when we are not able to come to a relationship with ourselves, we are trying to do this to others. For example, when we are not able to handle ourselves, if we are trying to behave like giving upon us, we will give upon the society. If we are trying to behave like controlling us, we will control the society. How we feel with ourselves, the same way only we will feel with the world. If somebody is trying to control others and feel controlling others gives them joy, there is a deep vacuum in them that they are not able to control themselves. So, they are struggling in controlling themselves. When we are struggling to control ourselves, we will also be struggling to control the world. If we come to completion with ourselves, knowing clearly, these all can be controlled. For example, my eating habit, sleeping habit, my digestion, all these can be controlled. But my blood circulation, my breathing, all these cannot be controlled. That is actually good for me. When we know, I myself put something in automatic gear for my own benefit. So, this what I put in automatic gear is not binding me. It is actually some of the responsibilities off from me, which I decided. For example, our breathing pattern, our blood circulation. We put all of them into automatic. By us, it is our decision. We put them in automatic so that we can attend to something else. End of the day, coming to the source of everything, context, and understanding everything we are responsible, makes thousands of things clear. When we start getting complete with ourselves, we will manifest the same completion with others. When we are not able to control ourselves, we will try to control us and control others. When we are not able to control ourselves and we give upon us, we will give upon us and give upon others. Everything, the way we behave, whether in a traffic signal or in our career or in our relationship, everything finally boils down to how we cognize us. How we behave with ourselves. Our idea about us is the source from which all this manifests. Even the need for the power is not always going to lead to a completion space or happiness space. We know.
Yes.
But still,
we do it. we do it.
I should say it's a blind spot. We know our goal is not going to make us feel the way we want. See, we want certain feeling at the end of the goal, and we want something as the goal, even though we know this feeling and that goal is not going to come together. Sometimes we just start traveling towards any one direction. So I should say, it is more or less our own blind spots based on our blind spots inside us.